learn English online at Base Training School. If you want to become proficient in the use of the versatile verb get, you've just to understand the different ways in which you use this verb. In this video series, we'll show you 12 ways with sufficient explanation and simple examples. Are you ready? Let's start. Get plus an object plus gerund.
When there is an object between get and the gerund, it has the meaning to make something or somebody start doing something.
It's an English oral test. Don't get her talking in French.
It means don't give her the opportunity to speak in French.
Try to get your son practicing a defensive sport.
It's time for your son to start a defensive sport.
It's time to get your daughter riding a bike.
It's time for your daughter to start learning how to ride a bike.
To compete with the other, you have to get your farm producing differently.
To be in the competition with others, you have to start producing differently to the older farmers.
In case to resolve the crisis, we must get our business using new methods.
The same as the older sentences. They have to begin new methods.
So, get with a gerund means to start doing something. And get with an object and a gerund means to make something start. It's too easy to understand.
You'll continue in this way, because my challenge is not to get you talking in French.
I think it's better to go to the next way.
All right, let's go.